Preventing Sexual Harassment at the University of South Carolina, a checklist for managers and supervisors. What would you do if someone in your department reported an incident of sexual harassment to you? Sexual harassment is a very serious issue, which has negative effect upon the employee on the receiving end of the behavior, as well as the workplace in general. As a manager and supervisor, it is your responsibility to help make the University of South Carolina a zero-tolerance workplace. A recent Supreme Court ruling states that employers must exercise reasonable care to prevent or correct promptly any sexually harassing behavior. Consider the following. Research. Review and become familiar with the university's policy before an incident occurs in your department. Disseminate. Disseminate and communicate the university's policy to all of your employees. Respond. Promptly respond to and deal with all complaints of harassment. Minor incidents such as a single or unwanted request for a date can be handled in your department, but still must be reported to the Office of Equal Opportunity Programs. Meet with the victim. Listening without judgment or evaluation. Inform the victim that you will be meeting with the harasser. Meet with the harasser. Listen without interruption as he or she tells you their story or their version of the story. Send a notice. Place the harasser on notice that the behavior is unacceptable and must be curtailed immediately. Follow up. Send both the victim and the harasser a brief note summarizing what happened and what was decided. Keep copies for your records. Follow up with the victim to ensure that the harassment is stopped. Report the behavior to the Office of Equal Opportunity Programs. If the harassment is not a minor incident and appears to constitute a violation of university policy, it should not be handled in the local department, but reported to the Office of Equal Opportunity Programs for intake and potential investigation. Educate. Carefully make sure you educate your employees about the policy. Monitor. Carefully monitor your workplace for compliance with university policy and federal and state law. And finally, thank you for viewing this training opportunity. You may contact the Office of Equal Opportunity Programs at 803-777-3854. You may also visit our website at www.sc.edu/EOP. And remember, as Gamecocks, our compassion has no limits.